Welcome to GIFDroid, the free video to GIF converter on the Android platform. As you can see, this is the main startup screen for GIFDroid. You're given several options, including selecting a video from your gallery, recording a new video, or viewing a created GIF. We're going to go ahead and select a video from our gallery by just tapping that button, which will automatically launch a little thing that will allow you to choose a video that you've previously recorded. We're going to go ahead and choose the first one. And we're given a screen where we can choose a video interval that we specifically want to create a GIF from. And we can also preview the video that we had previously recorded using the pause and play buttons. Notice that there are two sliders here to choose a beginning interval and also another slider to choose an ending interval. We're going to go ahead and look at the preferences that we can also use to create the GIF. There's frames per second. Let's leave this at 5. There's also delay, which shows how fast the GIF plays. We're just going to make it a little bit faster by changing this to 8. And as you'll see at the end, the higher this number, the faster the GIF will play. We can also change our width and height dimensions based on the dimension of the recorded video for the GIF. So we're going to go ahead and click Next here. And what it's doing now is it's just grabbing frames from the video in order to create a GIF image. This could take anywhere from a couple seconds to a couple minutes, depending on how long the video interval you chose and the current hardware on your phone. We're going to go ahead and skip ahead here, just so we can show you the ending process. All right, now that we're just about done here, in a couple seconds, we're going to show you the next part. As we wait a little bit longer, it should pop up any second. There we go. So now that we've extracted the specific frames, we can then choose individual frames that we want to include in our GIF image. We can also easily use the select all and deselect all buttons if we easily want to create a GIF image from all the frames. Notice that you can scroll down and select the many frames that you've extracted. Right now it's still a little bit buggy where I might accidentally select a frame, but you can always use the little scroll bar on the side. And as you can see, I'm trying to create a stop motion like video with the previous recorded one. I want to choose ones where my hand is not visible in them to give the viewer make it look like basically the mouse is moving without anyone helping it. As you can see, I'm using the scroll bar here. Still a little bit not entirely the best, but it still works. As I am continuing to select frames, just try and make the GIF as perfect as possible. You can always go back and select frames that you might want to include in the future after you create the GIF. So it's very easy. And we're going to go ahead and finish selecting a few more frames as the camera zooms out of focus there a bit, but not to worry. And looks like we're done here. So we're going to go ahead and hit that Create GIF button. And this process takes not as long as the previous process, but still might take a couple seconds to actually do. And once we finish creating it, you'll see in the preview page, we can actually see the GIF, which will be played over and over again based on the preferences we chose earlier, our height, width dimension, and our frames per second and the video delay. And once we've created it, we can then click the Share button, which will allow you to easily share it with any applications you have installed on your Android device, including Facebook, Google+, and various other ones. We can also rename ours. By default, it's renamed to GIFDroid and a string of random numbers, not entirely random though, but we can give it some sort of easily rememberable name. Just go ahead and hit OK. You can also choose to delete it or create another. And of course, we can view our previously created ones. And that's it for GIFDroid. Make sure to submit any bug reports, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.